In this video, I'll show you 3 different ways to check the battery percentage remaining in your Fitbit Charge 6. So let's start with the easiest of the way is, well, wake the screen of your Fitbit and then you just have to swipe up like this, and on the top right corner you should see right there the battery percentage remaining. The second way to know how much battery remains, well, just take your Fitbit charger and connect it to the watch. And you're going to see on the screen automatically the battery percentage remaining. And the third way that you can check this info is by going on the Fitbit app. Then you're going to tap on the top left corner, this icon, a smartphone with a smartwatch. Then you're going to see the Charge 6, tap on it. And over here, you're going to see the battery percentage. In my case, the battery is full, so it says battery full, that's all. So these were the 3 ways to check how much battery you have left into your Charge 6. If this was helpful, please leave a like, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.